tablespoons of peanut butter. Next, we're gonna put 2 tablespoons of oil. With 1 medium mashed banana.
We'll get the spoon. What? Great. 2 tablespoons of honey.
Next, a half a cup of flour.
Great. The blood. Okay.
Mommy,
3/4 cup of baking powder.
Next, we're gonna stir it.
Let's get started.
Next, we're gonna fill the pan. Picture. Oh. Next, we're gonna bake it. We're gonna make frosting for the cupcakes.
Mommy, where's number 2?
We're making icing, and this is what's in it. It has peanut butter and banana.
Next,
we're gonna put in the applesauce. Not wheat. Applesauce, peanut butter.
Looks like
Applesauce.
throw up a little.
Peanut butter, applesauce. Peanut butter, applesauce.
Now it's time to decorate. I'm gonna try one.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Ginger. Happy birthday to you.
For more videos, like and subscribe.